Lesson number 12. Working with multiple copies of the VR watchlist and linker program. There is often a situation when you need to track several lists of financial instruments at the same time. The VR watchlist and linker analytical suite allows you to work with 3 watchlists simultaneously. Each watchlist can be linked to its own chart window. Let me show you how it works and how to configure it. We have an already running copy of linker. We add another window for the second copy and install another watchlist and linker advisor in a separate window. I recommend changing the link when installing to link B in the default color in linking settings. This is the default link. Press the OK button. A second watchlist and linker is loaded, which may contain a completely different list of financial instruments. Note that all windows are now linked with the red symbol A, and the second linker has the green symbol B. To bind the window to the second watchlist and linker, we must select the B symbol in the window and disconnect this window from the other watchlist and linker. Now, when we move through the first list, we will change the graphs that are linked to the red symbol A. When we move through the second linker, we will change the tools that are linked with the green symbol B. The important point here, which we have already discussed, is templates. When the template is saved, and if you already have all the templates saved, pay attention to which buttons the templates are saved with. If all templates are saved with link A pressed, then they will be loaded with link A. In this case, when loading a new financial instrument, it will be unlinked with the second linker, as it is currently happening. That is, we tied it up. I already pressed the button and the template was saved. But I went to the symbol where I clicked link A, and this window is already automatically linked to the first linker and it no longer changes. To set this up, we need to manually press the B symbol and press A. Then the link will occur. If you plan to always work with multiple copies of linker, I recommend making all templates according to 2 copies of watchlist and linker. I delete all templates. I don't make default templates. I don't have any templates. To linker A, I link the right windows, all 3. And to linker B, only the first window. I don't have any templates, so I create templates by default. Now a template will be applied to each financial instruments in which 3 windows are linked to the first linker, and the first window is always linked to the second. I switch characters. I have changed the first window. I switch characters in linker A. I change the 3 windows linked to it. If you use 3 copies, you must create default templates and link the windows with links A, B, and C. You can also link one window to 2 copies of the linker at once, and link the other windows to their own linker. What will it look like? I delete all templates. I don't create default templates. There are no default settings. The first window is linked to the lower linker, and the other three are linked to the upper one. But I want the last two windows to be linked to both linkers. I press both buttons A and B and create default templates. Accordingly, when I change a financial instrument, the upper window changes because it is linked to the upper linker, and the other two windows change because they are also linked to the upper linker. If I change a financial instrument in the lower linker, I change the first window and the last two, because they are linked to the lower linker. This approach will be of interest to those traders who use several trading strategies. And some financial instruments from two lists, for example Forex and metals, are analyzed by the same trading strategy, and the rest of the instruments are analyzed using other trading strategies. This feature is implemented in the analytical complex VR watchlist and linker.